On day one of the GST Council meeting in the beautiful climes of Srinagar, deliberations on rate fitment were wrapped up. 1,211 items were up for rate fitment. Barring 6, everything else was done. Here's what you need to know so far. 43 items are under the 18% tax rate. 19% under the 28% tax rate. There are 17% items that are under the other tax rates. Let's tell you what else is making news right now. Commodities like hair oil, toothpaste, soap, all of that is under 18% tax bracket, down from 28%. Sugar and tea in the 5 bracket. Tax on coal comes in to 5% from 11.7%. Milk and cereals are fully exempted. Decision on tobacco products and gold will be done tomorrow. Let's take this straight across and talk to you about what the finance minister had to say today.
Except 6 categories on which discussion is still continuing, we have approved the others. We will continue with this discussion tomorrow. Both the state government and the consumers of the state will hugely benefit by integrating the state with the GST. And the reason is the following. Jammu और कश्मीर के अपना टैक्स रेवेन्यू काफी हद तक बढ़ेगा जीएसटी लागू होने से. हर कंजम्पशन स्टेट का बढ़ेगा.
We sorted out, I think, almost 95% of the rates. 4 or 5 issues remain, which we didn't have time, but also will come up for discussion tomorrow. BDs, footwear, gold, textiles. So in some way, we have set the stage for an eventual movement to a single rate.
The gold prices have increased such phenomenal pace during the last 1 decade, and the market and consumers have stomached it.
Right.
Then what is the big deal about 4%, 5% racks on gold?
कुछ इश्यूज जिन पर अभी डिस्प्यूट्स हैं उनको छोड़ के, जैसे फुटवेयर्स का है, कपड़े का है, आटे दाल चावल का है, इन चीज़ों को छोड़ के, क्योंकि दिल्ली में खासतौर से जैसे आटे दाल चावल पर टैक्स नहीं है, कई राज्य लगाते हैं, कपड़े पर टैक्स नहीं है, सस्ते जूते पर, सस्ते चप्पल पर टैक्स नहीं है, तो इन सब चीज़ों को अभी होल्ड किया है कल के लिए.
GST must ultimately result in the low cost, at least for the low cost, at least for the common man, daily needs products and daily use products, and we've been able to work around that successfully.